Hi, I'm John Apolloni, Director of FSG and Hub Business Solutions. Recently, we attended the Xero Roadshow in Sydney and found out all about Receipt Bank. Good morning, Sophie. My name's John Apolloni and I'm here this morning because I want to find out about Receipt Bank. So could you tell me what Receipt Bank is and how it works?
Yeah, of course. So what we're doing is we're automating the accounts payable data entry. So for all of your invoices and your receipts, you can simply send them to us in whatever way. So you can take a photograph of your receipt with the free mobile app, or you could email in your bill or your invoice. And within 24 hours, we'll extract all of the key information for you, and we'll code that transaction, and we'll send that image as well as the data straight to Xero.
So instead of my people or myself scanning information and typing the information into Xero, we just put it in an envelope and send it to you and you do all of that?
Yeah.
That sounds too good to be true.
I know. And we get that quite a lot actually. It's all about reducing the time you'd previously spent on data entry, so that you can start to manage that information. So you can have much richer information in Xero. You can reconcile the bank a lot more quickly, and for ATO purposes, everything is in one place.
So do you also scan the information up into Xero?
Yep.
So the copy of the receipt or the
copy gets attached as well into that little attached image.
So who's your target market?
It's actually anybody. It's a bit of a bizarre thing to say that. It is any industry or sector. We're not particular in specialising, because every SME has this problem of paperwork. Everyone has either invoices or receipts clogging up their day, and we can suit everybody. So it doesn't matter what size they are or what industry they are. If they're on Xero, they should be using us as well.
So does it matter where they're located, the clients?
No, not at all. So it's putting everything in the cloud so everyone can access it. So it doesn't matter whether you've got clients in Perth, in Adelaide, you name it, it could be anywhere.
Wow, that's terrific. So tell me, what's some of the features of the product itself? Tell me a little bit more about it.
Yeah. Okay. So along with all the data entry that we're doing for you, and we're publishing that to Xero, we can also create things like expense reports. So if you have clients who are paying for things personally with their personal card or cash, we can consolidate all of those expenses into one expense report, which goes to Xero, so they get reimbursed more quickly. Okay. So that's a really good feature. A second really popular one is that you can set due dates. So a lot of suppliers might say you get a certain discount if you pay the invoice, ahead of time. So in Receipt Bank, you can set those due dates up, so actually it goes to Xero more quickly, and so your client might get a discount from that supplier. Wow.
Okay, I can really see the benefit on that.
Yeah.
Now, how big is Receipt Bank? How many users do you have? How long has it been in the marketplace?
So that's a really good question. So we've been here in Australia officially for about a year now, although we've been a company, we started in London 4 years ago. So we've got offices in London, Sydney, Auckland. We've just opened Toronto and Washington DC. So it's a completely global operation now.
Global?
Yeah.
Okay, that's terrific. So who are your main clients? Is it you going directly to the businesses, or are you working through accountants and bookkeepers?
So both, but predominantly my time and my team's time is focused all on our accountants and bookkeepers. So it's that partnership. So we're really helping you guys advise your clients. But clients, end users, small businesses can come to us directly, and they're looked after as well.
And with Receipt Bank, is it a subscription basis, or how does it work? How does the end user basically join up?
Yeah, so it's just a monthly subscription. So it starts at $20 a month, and that's for up to 50 invoices or receipts a month. So it's just an ongoing subscription cost. There's no lock-in, there's no tie-in or anything like that.
So no minimum period?
No minimum period, and no minimum items or maximum.
Okay, and does a business have to go through a training course to learn how to use Receipt Bank, or is it that simple? We just stick everything into an envelope and send it away?
Yeah, it's that simple.
So all we have to do is learn how to close an envelope?
Know how to log in, know how to download a mobile app, and that's pretty much it. It's a really simple tool, and if we ever get complicated, we've done something wrong.
Well, this would have to be probably the simplest add-on that I've met today.
Yeah. We really want to always be that. Yeah, okay. We're all about being simple and doing everything for you, so you don't have to do much.
So is there anything I need to ask you about Receipt Bank that you haven't already told me?
Well, there are loads of exciting things coming up. We're always looking at new and exciting improvements.
Well, tell me about those.
So we've got a new user interface, a new Android app. What we're also doing is the ability to roll out a technology which is specific to PDF invoices. So now we'll be able to extract each line item detail for you as well. So for your inventory clients or those clients that need that level of detail, we'll be able to do that for them as well. So that's coming.
Okay, so that information will be fed up into Xero, which in turn could go straight through to, say, Unleashed or one of the other inventory softwares.
Yeah, so we'll send it straight to Xero and you can use it from there.
From there, terrific. Look, it's been absolutely wonderful speaking with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So to get your business in the cloud with Xero or its add-on partners, just click the link. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.